Some years ago, I went to the swimming pool with a friend and a girl that she knew. The three of us were in the swimming pool for the whole afternoon, and after this time, the girl had to go home. And she told me, Eloy, nice to meet you, but you are so boring that I would never go out with you. That hit me so hard and made me realize I had a problem. The whole afternoon, I was always in my head. I was thinking about my things, so I wasn't talking to them. I was like a stone near them. I didn't talk. I was there like a wall. And I want to tell you about this, so you can improve and live a better life earlier than me. So I want to start with a quote from a Chinese writer, where he says, if you are depressed, you are living in the past. If you are anxious, you are living in the future. And if you are at peace, you are living in the present. Presence is the most important thing you can experience. If you live at the moment, you feel at peace, you feel more confident, and life seems to be enjoyable. You enjoy all things that you have, even the simplest things. For example, if you play sports or video games, you would say that the best moments when you played the best were the ones that you were out of your head, so to say, living in the present. So when you were like playing some Call of Duty and you did some crazy 360 no-scope, and then you got like a really good killing spree, at the moment you will say you will be like very like you were totally focused on the game. That's the same with life. You can be totally focused on life, like by being present, not living in your head thinking about what I'm going to do tomorrow or in 5 year times, or thinking about a great idea, or wanting to go play video games wherever, or living in the past thinking about if you had like a girl and now she left you, like about the good times that you have together, or wherever, or the time you were to something that some place that you were pretty happy. You have to concentrate on the present. If you concentrate on the present, you can work on the things that make you happy, and that don't. So live in the present. And I want to go to give you some advice on what can you do to live at the present and enjoy life at its fullest. So there are two things that I want you to do. The first one is meditation. So people say that meditation doesn't work or wherever, but for me, as I was very anxious, it did me it did a great work with me. So I want you to search this app called Medito and download it. There you can have there is something called daily meditation, and I want you to start at minimum with 1 minute a day. Then you work out to 3 minutes, then to 5 minutes, and at the end you can work out. I do like 10, 15, so that's fine. But it will help you a lot to stay in the moment and don't get anxious. For example, if I don't know if it never happened to you, but when you have to do some presentation in class and talk in public, I will always get very nervous. I would go out on stage and I was going literally, I will shake a lot and I couldn't talk right. But the moment I started to meditate, I could control my head a lot more. So I would go there. Perhaps I didn't do the best presentation. I would have like a shaky voice, but I will do it, and I wasn't scared to death because I could control my mind. This is one of the most important things. Control your mind. And then the other thing that you should do is breath work. You should improve how you breathe, and that's very important because if you breathe like through the nose and you push your stomach out and then back in, you breathe like the kings, so to say. A king will be very relaxed and would surround everyone with his powerful energy only by moving slow, breathing slow, being in the moment, and that's what you should do. But Eloy, what about my abs? I should have to be tense all the time and show that my abs are there. No, bro. I did this and it doesn't work. You have to breathe, push your stomach out, push your stomach in, and the benefits of that will surpass the ones of having a six-pack. And even though you are quite skinny like I was, it doesn't matter. Breathe in, breathe out, push the stomach out, push your stomach in, and that's how you will feel totally present. You will feel that you hit more PRs in the gym, you are more focused in studying, you are more focused at work, you have more confidence with girls and in social events, and that's what you should do. And there's this technique that Huberman explains. If you don't know him, search it. He's a well-known scientist, which is each time that you're going to do something difficult, for example, you go to take a cold shower, or you're going to speak to a very beautiful girl, or whatever, you have to talk to your boss, whatever. You should breathe like this. You inhalate, you push your stomach out, and when you're the fullest, you stop, then you inhalate a little bit more. So it's like 2 inhalations, and then you exhalate. And that's going to put you in the present much more as meditation could do. So it is a pretty good trick. You should try it. Okay, I hope you do try it, because you're going to live much more better. But you're going to live better with this. So you're going to enjoy life at its fullest. So try it. Write in the comments how it was, and if you find this video helpful, subscribe, put a like, and do your work, and the skies will clear. Ciao.